look at this flower. Beautiful flower. Can you see that? So beautiful. This is can we call this pink? This is pink color. There are many types of this color here. There are many types. So beautiful, beautiful. Okay, now guys, I will be taking you along to the next river. Everybody are walking, walking, walking. Everybody are walking, walking, walking. Beauty, beauty by Nij is laughing. What make you to laugh, sister? I want to share the laugh with you also. Oh, God of heaven. Me too, I want to laugh. Oh. I want to laugh also. Welcome everybody. Thanks for coming. You are all welcome. Today I'm taking you along this beautiful nature. Nature. It's so beautiful, so relaxing. If you have a baby that always cry, just take a trek in a natural place like this. You will see after receiving the fresh air, you will see that your baby will sleep. We enjoy the sleep. We enjoy the sleep because it's so relaxing, guys. If someone take mattress to this place, the person will sleep from now till tomorrow. The hair that is here is so relaxing. Welcome everyone. Thanks for coming. You are all welcome. If you are just coming, welcome. Give me thumbs up, guys. Like this video. Like the video, guys. If it's your first time of seeing me, welcome. I love you all. Mercy, Beauty, E.T. Show, love you all. I love you with thy love of thy Lord. I love you with thy love of thy Lord. I can see you, the glory of thy Lord. I love you with thy love of thy Lord. Mercy, Beauty, E.S. Love you all. I love you all, guys. So, let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue. My trekking continues. I want to go and show you a river. I want to show you a river. Wow. I'm taking you along. I want to show you a river. Guys, can you see the river there?